Today I'm going to share with you how to find more babysitting jobs. Stay tuned. Hey sitters, welcome back. It's Lydia. Thanks for joining me. One of the things I do to grow is when I see new families moving into the neighborhood, I write handwritten notes welcoming them to the neighborhood and letting them know if they should ever need a babysitter, that I live within the neighborhood nearby. I have references and babysit for a lot of families in the neighborhood, and overall welcoming them to the neighborhood. Another thing that I do is volunteer at the local elementary school. It was actually my elementary school when I was growing up. But first and foremost, I volunteer because there's a need for it, but it also doesn't hurt that I'm in there and the teachers get to know me, they get to know my face, the kids get to know me and connect with me. Some families volunteer there as well, so I get to meet some of the families or some of the parents of the kids that go there. When there's new kids or new families going to the school, some parents do ask teachers, do you know of any babysitters? And if they do know of a babysitter, then they'll reference me to that new family. Not only are you helping yourself out by going and volunteering at the school, but you're also helping out the community. You're helping these kids learn and grow and connect. If you have the opportunity to go volunteer at a school or your local school, elementary school, I suggest you do it. It's really rewarding. Another thing I do is market myself. So there's mom groups that I'm added into by moms within the neighborhood, and I get to see who needs what. We have a neighborhood app that I'm always on looking to see if anybody needs help within the neighborhood. You can pass out flyers to get your name out there. Marketing is very good. One of the biggest ways I grow is through referrals. I think it's a huge compliment when people spread my name and give my name off to another family needing me. It shows that they trust me with their kids, that they are confident in me, and they respect what I do. I think it is really important to show your appreciation when somebody does refer you. So what I personally do, I send out thank you cards to those who refer me. And after so many referrals, I usually do 5, I send a local coffee shop gift card in the card to them. One of the most important things overall is to be professional. The way you dress while volunteering at schools, your grammar and spelling within the groups that you're posting in, whether it's the mom groups or the neighborhood app, and driving through your neighborhood. If you're babysitting for a lot of families within the neighborhood, there's always going to be somebody seeing you on the road, so watch the way you drive. I just want to take a moment to tell you guys how much I appreciate you for watching my videos and supporting my channel and sharing my videos. Thank you. I will see you guys next week.